Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Python video.
In the last video, we wrote a program, and that program allowed the user to enter their favorite color. Then we compared it to some colors using elif statements and did different outputs. Well, we didn't take into account that most of your users, they're not going to pay close attention to capitalization. They may use upper and lower case. And let's see what happens if I run this and the user enters red but in all caps. Well, it says not a good color. This if was false, as well as the elifs, so it came down and did the else. Well, it was comparing capital R, capital E, capital D with lowercase r, lowercase e, lowercase d. Same would happen if we just capitalize, say, one letter. Again, not a good color by typing blue in with a capital B. The way we wrote it, you have to do lowercase all the time. So we've got a couple of options here. One option is if we know that we don't care about the case of the color, that lowercase is fine all throughout the program, we could actually do a color equals color dot lower, and that would convert what we typed to lowercase. So if I run that now and I type red in caps, it still says red is a good color. Notice it prints red in lowercase even though I typed it in uppercase. That's because in this line we converted it to lowercase and then we replaced the uppercase version with the lowercase version, and that will work. If we need to keep the color in whatever capitalization they entered it, what we would have to do instead is a dot lower on each of the lines of the comparison. This will change it to lowercase and do the comparison, but it will not actually change the value of color. So when I type, let's type green in this time, notice that it did match. It converted color to lowercase and compared it to red, then converted it to lowercase, compared it to green, and it got a match. It was true, and it went into the statement. Notice that green is still in all uppercase. By doing it this way, we only said what we want to do is we want you to convert it to lowercase for the comparison, not store that lowercase value.
Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.